Summer heat is more than just uncomfortable. It's a serious challenge and, yes, even danger for every homeowner. But the deadliest heat isn't outside. The greatest danger is inside your home, where most heat-related deaths actually occur. Your home should be a safe haven, and your air conditioner is the main defense against this invisible threat. But what happens when that defense fails during a brutal heat wave? Often, it's due to one common reason. In the next few minutes, we'll expose hidden strains on your AC, bust costly myths, and give you the playbook to keep your home cool and safe. Let's talk money. Many homeowners gamble on their AC making it through summer, but an emergency repair is vastly more expensive than simple maintenance. Beyond avoiding disaster, proactive care pays you back monthly. A well-kept system doesn't work as hard, using less energy and lowering your bills. So we know upkeep is key. But your AC is also fighting an unseen enemy inside your house. Why do some days feel hotter at the same temperature? The culprit is humidity. High indoor humidity makes the air feel thick and much warmer, hindering your body's ability to cool itself. Your AC helps dehumidify, but if it's struggling, comfort plummets. The ideal range for comfort and preventing mold is between 40 and 55% humidity. So your AC is fighting heat and humidity. But what are the key components in that fight? Let's look at the two weakest points that cause most failures. First, the system's lungs, the air filter. A dirty filter suffocates your AC, forcing it to work harder. This strain is a leading cause of breakdowns. Second, the exterior coils, which work like your AC's radiator. Their job is to release the heat pulled from your home into the outside air. When coils are caked in dirt and grime, they can't release heat. It's like making your AC wear a winter coat, causing it to run longer and harder. Of course, your AC doesn't work in a vacuum. The single best thing you can do to help it is proper home insulation. It's a thermal barrier against outdoor heat. When this strain adds up, your system shows distress. One of the most damaging signs is short cycling, when it turns on and off without finishing a cooling cycle. This process puts immense stress on the compressor and fan motors. It's like flooring your car's engine for 30 seconds repeatedly. It leads to rapid burnout. Short cycling is a critical symptom, but your AC gives other warnings before a total meltdown. Do you know the sights, sounds, and smells of a failing unit? Sign 1. Lukewarm air from the vents. If it isn't cold, something is wrong. Sign 2. Visible moisture or active leaks around the indoor unit. Sign 3. Unusual sounds. Grinding, squealing, or banging are not normal operating noises and demand immediate attention. Sign 4. Strange odors. A musty smell points to mold in your ductwork. A burning smell signals an electrical emergency. Seeing these signs means it's time to call a technician immediately. But what if your own habits are secretly causing these problems? Myth 1. Setting the thermostat to 65 will cool my house faster. False. Your AC has one speed. Setting it extra low just makes it run longer, wasting energy. Myth 2. Closing vents in unused rooms saves money. False. This creates back pressure, straining the motor and potentially causing ductwork leaks. Myth 3. Turning the AC off when I leave saves the most energy. Surprisingly, false. It forces the system to work much harder to remove hours of built-up heat. The smarter move? Instead of turning it off, just set the temperature 5 to 7 degrees higher when you are away to maintain a baseline. Now it all connects. Following these myths, creating back pressure, forcing long run times, is what causes the strange noises and short cycling we discussed. Your daily habits can put as much strain on your AC as a year of missed maintenance. The battle against heat is won by avoiding bad habits and choosing proactive care. This is where technology can assist. A programmable or smart thermostat automates the process so you don't have to remember. It avoids these energy-wasting myths for you. So the complete strategy is clear. Maintain your equipment, manage your home's humidity and insulation, and use your thermostat intelligently. Surviving summer heat isn't about luck. It's about understanding how your cooling system works and making choices that reduce strain. The stakes are higher than comfort or a big energy bill. Remember, extreme indoor heat poses a serious health risk, and a reliable AC is a safety device. You can manage the habits, but for the health of the machine itself, trust a professional. Shreveport cooling specialists offer 24/7 service during heat waves. Don't wait for the warning signs or for the system to fail on the hottest day of the year. The best call you can make is the one you make before there's a problem. Schedule your preventative maintenance checkup today. Protect your investment, your wallet, and your family's safety.